Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaza9919 here, and today we're going to be cleaning my PC because I've just tried streaming and it's no good, and I'm starting to think what it is because I haven't de-dusted my computer in so long that it's getting really hot and it's struggling to perform the way that it used to. Let's just show you some evidence of how dusty this computer is. So let's have a look at the bottom fan. All of that is dust. It's all dust. And we have a look at these side fans. You got quite a bit of dust in there. And we look at the rear. We've got still quite a bit of dust there. And even the front, we've got dust there. You probably can't see it that well because of the lighting. Let's have a look inside. Right, so yeah, that's my graphics card to start off with, and you can see how gross that is, and it's just absolutely caked with dust. For the most part, inside it seems pretty nice. Everything seems pretty clean. It's just mainly that graphics card and the CPU fan, which I will be taking off in a minute and having a good clean out. But yeah, it's pretty bad, and obviously that fan's like caked in dust as well. So just taking the CPU fan off there, and we can see inside how disgusting this is. It's crazy. And that thing's meant to disperse heat. How's it going to do that when it's caked up with dust like that? Right then guys, so that is the CPU cooling block cleaned off to some extent. I mean, I've got what I can. I've just put it to the sides for now. Mainly because obviously when I get my air compressor on it, that'll get rid of all this dust anyway. But I've just got the tough sort of in there stuff for now. Like I say, I've done the best I can. I'm gonna try now do the heatsink for the graphics card. So I'm actually gonna take this graphics card out. I've just unplugged this main cable here, which goes into it, which is the power supply sort of cable for it. And now just to take these screws out. There's 2 screws for this. Not many. On some PCs, these will have them on the inside, and some PCs will have the screws on the outside, and some are quite awkward to get to, but you've just got to be patient. Oh, I'm just rounding that off. Come on. I mean, when it gets to a certain extent, you can like finger loosen them anyway. I don't think I've ever had this graphics card off, like in the years that I've had this. And also in some instances you wanna keep an eye on the bottom here, because there is a clip for graphics cards. In this case, mine just goes down and then should pop out. You want to be somewhat aggressive, but you don't want to be too aggressive at the same time, if that makes sense. I think what it is this screw holding my Wi-Fi card in is blocking it slightly. Yep, so now I've loosened that. There we go. Just pops out like that. Just make sure that that is in fact down. It's catching on it a little, because we don't wanna break this. It's part of the motherboard bit. So I can always just put it back in, pop it out, and try again. Take the back end up first, and there we go, it is out, just like that. Next task, removing this plastic fan bit so we can get to the heatsink behind it. Right, okay, so apparently it's impossible to move that plastic bit, or I'm not knowledgeable enough to do so, so I'm just going to try my best with it on. Right then guys, so I've sort of like done my best with that sort of thing. It is still a bit dusty in parts, but I've done my best for the heatsink and that, cleaning that out. So hopefully this will be a lot better once it's fully air dusted, and yeah, put back in the PC and powered up, but we've got a long way before we do that yet. So that has been dedusted and that, and it looks don't look too bad, to be fair. It looks a lot better than what it was now. I just need to get that graphics card back in and put it all back together. And there we have it, guys. One absolutely gleaming PC. Seemed to work pretty well. Quite happy with that. Take a look in the top. Everything looks spotless now. Barely any dust knocking around anymore. And that is it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until the next time, peace.